Me being the non-creative person that I am, I went on Aliexpress looking for products I could use as content. I happened to stumble upon this GoPro knockoff that claimed to be 4K resolution for $18. Knowing this claim was fake, however, I needed content, so I bought it. It arrived and the packaging was destroyed. I didn't get B-roll of it because it was so bad I just threw it away before I could. The camera, however, was completely fine. Same with all the accessories. In the package, you get a lot of accessories. A lot of mounting equipment and like protective equipment, most of which takes too long to figure out to be usable. And for the price of this thing, not worth figuring out. The build quality of the camera itself is not that bad. I mean, the plastic feels premium, but when you start to move around the camera, you start to notice light bleed from the screen. And the sounds this thing makes for the menus sounds like a Nokia from 2004. Now, there is no image adjust options, but I do give credit to the easy to use menu, although not having many options does help with an easy menu. When first trying to film this video, I noticed that the camera only had a slot for a micro SD card. No big deal, right? I'll just put in my 128 gigabyte micro SD and wait a sec. This thing only supports up to 32 gigabyte size micro SD cards. So I had to go dig up my old micro SD card that was 32 gigabytes. Now for the important part. What is the image quality like? Well, better than the $15 camera we took a look at, but that's not a very high bar now, is it? Top of the morning to you. This is the quality. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Honestly, I expected way worse. But why do these pictures have timestamps in 2019? The screen quality makes the video quality look terrible at first glance, but once you put the pictures on a computer and see it from a normal screen, they're not as bad. Still bad, but not as bad. One feature that pleasantly surprised me about this thing was that it has a PC camera option. So you can plug it into your computer via micro USB and use it as a webcam. Now let's see if the resolution is what it claims to be, 4K. 1920 by 1088. Let me make sure I'm reading this right. 1920 by 1088. Okay then, but why? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos here. Goodbye.